What's going on, guys? It is day 2 of the auto show, the second public day, and yesterday was absolutely insane. I met so many of you guys and it was the greatest time ever. So as you guys can tell, it's obviously not still day 2 of the auto show. The auto show was about a week and a half ago and we pulled all of our cars out that Sunday. But I'd like to make this video just as a sort of a recap of the week, what kind of went down, what happened, just so it makes a little bit more sense over the other video. But let's get right into it. Ended up getting all my sponsors on the car, which came out nice. Check those guys out. Shameless plug. This guy's very helpful. I'm gonna start wiping down my car, roll my windows down. I had my underglow on all yesterday, and we'll see what today has in store. Maybe vlog with some subscribers, film a bunch of stuff, and we'll get at it. We got a ton of exposure for the rally, and our whole group of people that we brought with us was super awesome. I got to hang out with some of my best friends for a whole entire week and experience some of the craziest things I've ever seen in my life. We got to show off 10 amazing vehicles from Rally Kings members, and I know everybody loved bringing their cars out, and we love showing them, letting people sit in them, all that kind of thing. If you didn't have an opportunity to make it to the show, you'll see a couple of the cars right now, and follow us on Instagram, Rally Kings Official. We're also working on developing some sort of YouTube channel for Rally Kings in the near future, so be on the lookout for that.
Hey, what's up? My name is Ryan Stipp. I'm the owner of the 2009 Nissan GTR.
Anyway, this is my 2016 Z06 Z07 package.
How's it going? I'm Troy Zukowski, and this is my 2010 R35 GTR.
My name's Tyler. I'm a sick ass.
That was my first time to
my car.
What are you doing, man? Oh, my dew holder.
It's doing the do, baby.
Do the do. I got the chance to meet a bunch of you guys while I was at the show, which was super awesome. What's going on, guys? I'm here with Joe today, and he's about to sit in my car and tell me what he thinks of it. So hop on in.
I'm really tall, so you're probably sitting super low in there.
You just got the hydro, right?
Yeah, dude, pull on it. Go for it. Yeah.
It's crazy. It's hard to tell. I love it.
Yeah, man. Pretty sweet.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, we have no idea what that is either, but it happens like twice a day. I don't know.
What's up, guys? We're out. Rally Kings 2016. We made it.
2018 now, George.
Sorry, I'm still drunk.
of the auto show, driving back through, they tear down everything super quick, so it's kind of interesting. They pull all the carpet out, all the displays are getting torn apart, moving all the cars out, and I don't know, it's over. Thanks, guys.
Reliable. Well, there goes the demon. You burned out, bro.
If you guys didn't know already, our first rally from Detroit to St. Louis back to Detroit is May 25th through the 27th. It's up on the website, rkrally.com. Be sure to go there and check it out because it is going to be one hell of a time. It is going to be great. We have some really cool stuff planned out. All the information's online, so be sure to go there. Also, a huge thanks to our sponsors at the auto show. Those guys were great and we couldn't have pulled it off without their help. So huge thanks to the sponsors, huge thanks to all of you guys for coming out, and I look forward to seeing you guys next video.